Oh, we're supervising, both Jack and I. Oh, and Allie, I'm sorry I forgot you. Are checking out what Dad's doing. Yeah, Dad's painting a willet for our friends Wayne and Robin. Dad paints birds when they're flat, and he also paints three-dimensional birds. How cool is that? Oh, and that's a sound that Mom doesn't like to hear. No, 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 bad kitty. No scratching the furniture. And, yay, we have the lions framed. Next step, getting them on the wall. Yeah, I think Allie. Oh, are you wanting to star as a lioness? What do you think? Looks pretty good. So they're gonna go up there. So stay tuned for the framing. Oh, I think Ellie wants out. Want out? Okay. Oh, too much noise. Cat doesn't need jingle bells. Okay, you can go out next. We'll go for another swim. Good girl.